Okay, boys and girls, let's get started on Math Boxes 5.8. Number 1, choose the number sentence that shows how many equal groups of 5 are in 40. So you can skip count by 5 to get to 40. Okay, what number would you multiply by 5 to get to 40? So we could do this one, 5 times what number equals 40? Or we could do 40 divided by 5 would equal what number? Okay, so when we're talking about equal groups, we're not talking about addition or subtraction. All right, and then my answer would be 8 equal groups. Number 2, circle the multiplication fact in each pair that has the greater product. So you would have to go ahead and check for each product of each one. So this would be 24, and 5 times 6 is 30. So the greater product would be here. 3 times 7 is 21. Well, I know I have one more group of 7 here. So that gives me 28. So that one was pretty easy. 3 times 8. Well, I know that 2 times 8 is 16. And here I have one more group of 8. So 3 times 8 is 24. So my greater product is on 3 times 8. Number 3, we got to put a unit in here. Let's do ducks. Okay, we're going to estimate and solve. So I'm going to take 741, round it to 740, 359, round to 360. And if I subtract those, I would get 380. Okay, and then I want to check my answer. 741 minus 359. And boys and girls, once again, use whichever strategy here you feel comfortable with when you're subtraction. I'm going to use your basic algorithm here. So 11 minus 9 is 2. 13 minus 5 is 8, and 4 minus 3 is 2. So, or 4, that's not 7, that's 6 minus 3. Gosh, sorry about that. It's 382. So my answer is 382. That's why it's probably better if you go ahead and pull that out over here. Okay, to do your work. Does your answer make sense? Well, my estimate was 380, 382. Yes, it makes sense because it was close to the exact answer. Okay, number 4, follow the steps to solve. Okay, so step 1, 4 times 5 is 20. Okay, we're going to add the answer from step 1 and 3. So 20 plus 3 equals 23. So 3 plus 4 times 5 equals 23. Number 5, solve 9 times 6 equals what? Use a helper fact to help you out with this one. Okay, I could use 9 times 5 equals 45. So 45 plus another 9 would give me 54. So 9 times 6 equals 54. Okay, complete the fact triangle. Well, I know it's multiplication, so this is my product. I'm missing a factor. Okay, so what factor do I multiply by 7 to get to 28? Well, I know 2 times 7 equals 14, and I would need to double that to get to give me 28. So I take and add those up, and that would be 4 times 7. So my missing factor is 4. So 4 times 7 equals 28. 7 times 4 equals 28. 28 divided by 4 equals 7. And 28 divided by 7 equals 4. All right, boys and girls, that concludes Math Boxes 5.8.